Hmm?
I'm attorney Brian Lockhart, strong arm. This was a serious car wreck. I need an aggressive attorney, someone who knows how to win.
Yeah.
Some insurance companies don't want to pay
You
you
like
what you
going on
deserve.
camera, huh, Kitty?
So do you.
Yes, people like you, Kitty. You must keep Kitty on it.
I'm calling Brian Longcross, the strong arm. Don't let the insurance company crush you. I'm attorney Brian Longcross, strong arm. I've been helping use your Texas crush the insurance company for over 23 years. Call the strong arm. Next, entertainment tonight. It takes two skinny to have a baby.